When using the powder autofill with a new powdered granita mix, follow the procedure outlined to adjust the powder autofill to produce the correct recipe. On the Ultra touchpad, ensure the power is in the on position, and day-night in the day setting. Pull the slide gate closed on the powder autofill product hopper elbow, and remove the hopper from the powder autofill. Remove the lid from the product hopper, and fill the hopper with the powdered granita mix. Open the cabinet door, and allow the support arms to lock in place. Place the on-off switch at the powder autofill whipper panel to on. After allowing 5 seconds for the powder autofill to initialize, observe the door lamp on the whipper panel. The door lamp should not be lit. If the door lamp is lit, consult the fault list and clear the fault before proceeding. Remove the hole plug on the whipper panel. Using a screwdriver, set potentiometer to approximately mid-range. Remove the mixing chamber from the powder autofill and place a small container, such as a cup, under the product hopper ejector elbow. Push the slide gate on the product hopper ejector elbow to the open position. Momentarily set the test service switch on the whipper panel to the test position. The hopper motor will run and dispense powdered granita mix for 10 seconds. After the powder autofill has finished the 10-second throw test, weigh the dispensed product. Determine the dispense rate of the powdered product weight units per second by dividing the measured weight by 10. Compare the measured dispense rate with the mix ratio. Adjust the minutes max control clockwise, to increase the dispense rate, or counterclockwise, to decrease the dispense rate of the powdered granita mix. Repeat as necessary until proper mix ratio is achieved. Replace the hole plug.